Time to show you guys the best two charts right now for Bitcoin, BTC. So this is first the linear scale for Bitcoin on the weekly chart, and just look how symmetrical this chart is. Especially we see why price stopped where it did at the previous all-time high right here. It just attempted to break out, but it failed, right? And then price went all the way back down to the purple angle. And then what do we see? Well, it went to one level at a time, right? It didn't really stop here too long. It just broke through. But look, stopped there, stopped at the red, didn't really stop there, stopped at the orange briefly, and then broke above. And now it's stopping at the orange again, which held perfectly right here at like 61,300, 400, right there, held so perfectly. And now price is going back towards this blue angle of resistance, right? So the next area of resistance is going to be 69, 70,000, right? And if that can break, then we get a clear shot up to the arcs up here, which could be around 110, 13, 14,000, or even the blue line up here around 120, and that will be the next resistance zone in this area up here, right? So this is looking beautiful to break out, right? It's almost time. It's not quite yet because this blue angle is still resistance, right? So once we can close weekly candles above 70,000, then it's game on to go higher. But let's remember this number right here. So this orange line again is right at 61.3, 61.4, right? So let's go to log scale. Right here. And look at what's happening on log scale. So from the previous all-time high back in December 2017 to the low in 2018, this 1.618, 61,330, right? So that's not a coincidence. So on Gann linear matches the Fibonacci's on Gann log scale almost exactly, and look how well support has held, right? Amazing. There has been 0 weekly candle closes below this 1.618. That means this previous range right here is support, right? No weekly candle close below it. And when we go up, this means Bitcoin for this cycle has a minimum price target of maybe $175,000, 173, 175 in that area. So once we get above 70,000, close a weekly candle, then it's game on. It's like the bull season would be here for Bitcoin, for altcoins, for every coin. And then ultimately, I see price getting to the 2.272 at 200,004, 204, right? This range from 175 to 204 will be the minimum price target for Bitcoin, with the possibility of going up to the 2.618 at 386,328, or even the blue arcs up here around 600,000. But this zone right here is the minimum target. And once we see that happen, the whole crypto market is going to explode. So pay attention to these two charts. I will update regularly, and just enjoy the ride.